Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, this is your physics teacher from Shaw Model Girls High School 2, and today we will continue the topic from chapter number 17 of class 10th Physics, Information and Communication Technology. Girls, as you have learned in your previous lecture that the information technology is the scientific method used to store information, to arrange it for proper use, and to communicate it to others. Now, today we will start the new topic of this chapter, that is telecommunication devices. These are the devices or machines used to carry information to far off places. Here you can see some means of communication on your screen. In this chapter, we will discuss the function and the use of some telecommunication devices like fax machine, cell phone, photophone, and computers. So I'll explain one by one. The first one is fax machine. Girls, fax is arise from the word facsimile, that is Latin word make copy. It is a process of converting optical images into electrical signals for transmission over communication system, phone line, internet, etc. A fax machine is also known as a telecopying or a telecopier. In 1843, the first fax machine was invented by Alexander Bain, the Scottish scientist. The fax machine is designed to send as well as receive documents, so it has a sending part and a receiving part. The sending part is a bit like a computer scanner that scans only one line of a document at a time and only in black and white. A fax machine transmits one kind of electric pulse down the phone line to represent black and another to represent white. The phone line transmits this information almost instantly to a fax machine at the other end. It receives the electrical pulses and uses them to control a printer. It takes about a minute or so to transmit a single page of writing in a very systematic way. You can see the figure of a fax machine. The second one is the cell phone. In 3rd April 1973, the first cell phone was invented by Martin Cooper. And the cell phone is a wireless device which receives signals from the towers. A cell is typically the area several miles around the tower in which a signal can be received. Here are some functions of the cell phone that are: we can store contact informations, we can make tasks or to-do lists, we can send text messages, we can keep track of appointments and set reminders, we can use the built-in calculator for simple mathematics, we can get information like news, entertainment, stock quotes from the internet, and we can send or receive email. Dear students, you can see some models of the cell phone on your screen. The customizable operating system, OSS, the software that allows user to interact with the computer system, enable the user to download apps, computer program designed to run a mobile device such as phone, tablet or watch. So the user enabled to download the apps like games, GPS, watching television, utilities and other tools. Android, a mobile operating system developed by Google, is the first completely open source mobile operating system, meaning that any cell phone manufacturer can use it in their phones for free. As we know that everything has two sides, one is positive and the other is negative. Same here applied. Mobile also has many disadvantages as it has advantages with it. It also depends upon the use of the user. The next one is the photophone. The photophone is a telecommunication device that allows transmission of speech, sound on a beam of light. This means that the light we use will not only provide light but also act as a means of communication. Until the late 1960s, radio and radar communications were more successful than optical communication. That was started to get real attention with the invention of the light amplification by stimulated emissions of radiations, means laser, and the laser diode in 1960s, followed in 1970s by the development of low loss optical fibers as a medium for transmitting information using the light. As its name shows, that photo means light. So we can communicate with one another by using the light, and that light is the source of this light is the sun. The last one is the computer. As a computer is a device that can be instructed to carry out sequences of arithmetic or logical operations automatically via computer programming. Modern computers have the ability to follow generalized sets of operations called programs. These programs enable computers to perform an extremely wide range of tasks. There are many different kinds of computers. Some computer systems are very big because they carry out large and complex tasks. Others are small and portable, small enough to put in our pocket, even to wear around your wrist or as a pair of glasses. Here you can see some different types of the computers on your screen, and we will explain the different types of the computers, their advantages and disadvantages in our next lecture, inshallah. I hope you'll understand everything. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.